Hey guys, welcome to Collin's Unboxing episode 6. Today, I'm going to tell you something. I'm no longer Loaf of Collin. I'm Scoot McTwo. I've been doing rebranding since right now. So today we have a very special episode of Scoot's Unboxing, because we're unboxing this one box right here. This is the most amazing box that you will ever see. Wow. Would you look at that? A laptop stand. Crazy. Why would I ever need this laptop stand when I don't have a laptop, you ask? Wink, wink, wink. I do. I have a laptop case. Don't have a computer, I guess. This kind of sucks. Cool case. Too bad I don't have a laptop. You just got psyched out twice by the brand new Scoot McTwo. They put a box inside of a... Here it is, baby. Let's turn it on, baby. Sorry, I just got a better device than you, stupid phone. Never liked you anyways, phone. That's Collin Dean. From Scoot McTwo. And I am signing off. Gamers. Pause. Stop. End recording. End recording. End.